Hello friends, welcome to LMS Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about another promising AI tool which can be used for your content creation and especially for your blog post writing and for technical writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore what is the tool and what are the features available in the tool. So how this tool can be used for your content creation and technical writing. The tool what we are going to discuss today is about Anyword. So this is the tool we are going to discuss about. You can just sign up with your Google account. So after you have signed up with your Google account, you will get a window like this. So in that there are different options available: prompt, Instagram caption, blog wizard, content improver. So we can see one by one what are the features available. So first I am going to click that blog wizard. So it's just opening. So describe the blog post you want to create. So this is the important step in guiding Anyword. Better descriptions results in better content creation. So your description should be at least 5 words. So you have to give a description for 5 words. So I am going to give future impacts of renewable I have just given future impacts of renewable energy for power generation. So I am giving next. So next here you will get that SEO words. So you can give the target words here. So your target words is a phrase or a word that best summarizes what your blog post is about. Ideally people type this into search engine to find the post. So you have to type the related words related with your content. For example, I am going to type renewable energy, next future of renewable energy, power, renewable energy. Next I am going to type renewable energy in power production sector. So just give next. So according to the keywords and title, here you can see the title generated by this AI itself, that is the Anyway itself. So you can see here Anyword. So you can see here the impact of renewable energy on the power sector, renewable energy in the power sector, future impacts. Like that, different types of title is created. If you are interested in the title, you can use this title, or else you can write your own title instead. So just click on this, you can write your own title. So just I am going to click that renewable energy in the power sector, future impacts. Like that I am giving, and I am giving next. So this is the outline suggestions. So this is how your topics will be: the rise of renewables, the fall of fossil fuels, the impacts on jobs, the impacts on consumers, the future of renewable energy. So if you are interested in adding another session in this blog post, you can add another section also. So I am not going to add any section. So just I am clicking next. So after that, you can see that your blog post will be created. That is, the word is rapidly transitioning in renewable energy. Like that, the blog post intro paragraph is created. So this is how a technical blog post can be created using your this AI tool Anyword. So thereby you can use this, copy this, and you can use this in your blog post, especially for technical article writing. You can use this AI tool. So this is an important way to create an content. So you don't just waste your time in just content creating and writing. So this is an easy idea. So next to see what is another important options available in Anyword. So I am just giving prompt. So you can give any prompt here. So after giving prompt, it will generate the content related to that. So let us see that. For example, I have just typed that how a solar panel is installed. So it will generate a document. So you can save this as a document also. So here you can see, you can use this different languages to generate your content from the prompt. So like that you can use this Anyword. Just a minute. So next you can use for Instagram captions, and also for you can improve your content. So you can make just copy and paste on content. Here I am just copying a content. So I am giving click generate. So here these are the different options how the content can be changed. So you thereby you can study this, go through this three contents, so which is will be helpful for you and which is pleasing to read, so that you can copy. So like that you can also use this content improver option for your content improvement. So these are the important features available in Anyword. So especially for your content writing, that is blog post writing. So from prompt to any content, then content improver, then Instagram caption. So this is another important AI tool which can be used for your support for your content creation. So hope this video will be useful and bring aware about Anyword. So thank you for watching our videos. Please do subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.